41, we're off the pavement. So, we're going to have a new deep thought of the day. We're going to start doing this on all of my videos. So, the current deep thought for today is, it's 2018, right? We put a man on the moon 50 years ago. I can transfer, in a matter of minutes, I can transfer millions of dollars from one bank account to another bank account across the city, the state, the country, with confirmations to everybody. They know that it's me sending the money, and they know it's me accepting the money. But yet for elections, we're still doing paper ballots. We gotta wait in line to vote. Isn't that kind of ridiculous? Or, more likely, is it just a sign of the government? The government's 50 years behind the times technology-wise with just about everything, except maybe military. And then there's people out there that are really wanting single-payer health care. Like it wasn't enough to wait in line to vote. They want to wait in line to make an appointment to see a doctor in an emergency. Yeah. So the deep thought is, and leave it in the comments below if you've got a comment, if you got any thoughts on it. Why are we not doing electronic balloting? That way you've got the proof of who it is. You don't need any ID. You've already proved that through multi-stages of security setup and confirmation to your address and driver's license, social number, whatever. Log in with a password. New password every year, whatever. There's ways to do it. Is it that our government's just that incompetent? See, that explains it. Goes on a little bit more into the deep thought. The Republicans want less government because they know how incapable it is. The Democrats want more government, and they want it free for themselves. Forget about having to work hard, have an ethic, and being successful in life, and getting that job satisfaction. They want shit given to you. What can I get from the government today? What do they owe me? Alright, so that's it for the deep thought. We're still doing switchbacks. Okay, so check this out. I've got the GoPro mounted on the door handle, and I've got the mirror adjusted to where you can see what's going on behind me. So this is one reason to have four-wheel drive or high clearance, is to get to places like this. Nobody's around. Lake is frozen, or swamp, or whatever it was. But I think that this is going to be a really cool place for the meteor shower Saturday night. And I'm like 40 minutes away from the house. 45 minutes. I think I'm going to come back to this spot right here, or that one down there. Stay tuned. I'll probably record that too. So we're at 9730 feet. This is the end part of 41 that I didn't maneuver properly 4 days ago. So there's a section up there, I could tell from my tracks in the snow. They're on the previous time lapse. I could tell no one had been up there or through there or in that area since I was 4 days ago. These here looks like there's a out and back 2 Jeep vehicles maybe with wide tracks. For me, there's one path, 2, 3, and then 4. And they're cloned that way. So either someone came up here out and back twice, or 2 vehicles at the same time, or 1 vehicle 4 times. Here's one of the things I like the best about the FJ. I leave all 5 doors open. I got all the interior lights turned off. No battery drain. No harm.